Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Thanks for joining me. Today I have an unboxing. I have the June 2026 Bikes and Blooms Paper Pumpkin Kit, and the box got a little smushed in the delivery process. Let's check it out and see if everything's all right inside. So this month's stamping spot is Calypso Coral. Our stamp set, ooh, I love the bike. And we'll look at that a little closer in a moment. And here's a clearer picture of our stamps. So we have the bicycle, and thank you, have a lovely day, best wishes, some cute swirly butterflies, and some flowers. Colors this month are Basic Black, Calypso Coral, Crushed Curry, Lost Lagoon, Old Olive, Pecan Pie, and Silver. And this photo shows all of the contents of the kit, so you can make sure you got everything. And suggested ways to put them together, and picture instructions inside. So we have linen thread, mini dimensionals, and there's something else in here. So adhesive backed little silver butterflies. And we have our envelopes. So we have 9 envelopes. Nice summery colors. I love the stripes. And an image for the front of a card with lots of silver foil on it, and there are 3 of those. I like that representation of a bike. So here's card base number 1. That looks really pretty together. I love the books with the plant. Didn't notice that at first. And a big close-up of the bike and basket. All die cuts, and we have 3 of everything here. Here's card base number 2. Oops. This looks like it got mushed. So just one of them did. And I think I can fix that and still make it usable. Yep, just use my bone folder and press that down. If something is ever really damaged in these kits, Stampin' Up! Does guarantee them. You just need to let them know that your kit was damaged in transit. Oh, love this and that. Love these leaves, and then you add your flowers. And we have some labels here. So this one, it looks like we have 4 of each image. And there's more labels here. And then this card base, I like that little strip down there. I like on that one too. And more die cuts. Ooh, I like these. So we have 4 of these. I'm just going to pull these off of here so they don't get bent. And then we have part of the bike that's going to drive off of the... Oh, that's cute. I wasn't sure I was going to like this kit from the previews, but I do like it quite a bit. And then we have these little bits. So we have 3 of the bikes, and it looks like 4 of the small images here. I'm just going to pop these out quickly here, because I don't want to tear anything. So let's kind of just see what these would look like if we followed the directions. So this would go on here. And then you would stamp the word thank you here, add some of these items. like to punch them out all together because it seems to help get them out without tearing anything. So then you would pop this up on dimensionals here. Cute. Very, very cute. And then this one would have this put on there. So this would go on here after you stamp the flowers. The stamp here, those flowers fit right there. And then the last one is going to be a landscape card. And that's the one that has the bike. Looks like it's going to burst out of the card. This one here would get stamped repeatedly here. And then again, these would be popped up. Very sweet kit. Be on the lookout for my alternatives coming soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.